Hi, welcome. It's Ta Brown here from Healing Touch Vinyasa. This is Laura Sepulveda, Gotham Pilates.
Hi.
Yeah,
and downtown La Jolla.
Yes, downtown La Jolla. And we've created something called Pilates Yoga Fuzion. So we are talking about driving in the car and how detrimental that is to our low back. What are some of the technical aspects? Why is driving a car so bad for us?
So first of all, from driving the car too much, there's compression of the lumbar spine.
Right.
Okay, so that's the first thing. So second thing is one might tend to tuck under or go into a posterior pelvic tilt. So that's the second thing. And then the third thing, when you're in the car, you have that constant bouncing and vibration. Makes it that much worse than if you were just sitting normally.
Right. How do we reverse that?
So what we're going to do after you drive, let's do a reset, like a lumbar spine reset, so to speak.
That is so great.
And these are, that's great.
Yeah,
okay.
Lumbar reset.
Lumbar reset. Some of these exercises, moves, and positions are a little bit more of an intermediate level, so maybe watch this first and just make sure you feel comfortable in your body doing any of these exercises. So we're going to first introduce the concept of sticking out your tail feather without arching, without tucking under. So it's kind of like a squat, or pretend you're going to sit in a chair.
Right. Quite the opposite of that rolling under when you're in the car. We're exaggerating that natural curve in the spine, letting that length happen through your upper body, ribs stay knitted in. And even though I have been teaching for 25 years, having an instructor or some student is amazing. So, did you see what she did? She did my hips, she did my ribs, she did my shoulders, and my head. Wow. So there you go. Whew. It's hard, but yes, it's resetting all of this into the low back. Excellent. Good. So then what's our second one?
So our second one, once you've grasped the concept of sticking out your tail feather, Tom did this in our yoga practice this morning. So why don't you start off and then I'll
all right. So there is a really neat way of extending into lunging on each side, and we are going to use it with 2 blocks. This is the way I've been practicing this posture, just with my hands. And let me move to the side a little bit, and you'll see how rounded my upper body is.
So doing this exercise without the blocks, one might round the shoulders too much, let the head go. This all is inefficient postural alignment for your spine. And you can see you're just rounded too much, the core might not be working as much.
And with that tail feather concept, we're going to add the blocks. And I have my teacher here, Laura, who's going to help me with alignment, okay? So I'm going to use these blocks. Notice already the blocks have helped me lengthen through my upper body. Oh my gosh, so I'm using the blocks to move through this. Inhale, lengthen.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah.
All right.
So today in class, Tom asked what I thought of using the blocks in this exercise as opposed to not using the blocks. Not that one is right or wrong, but my first thought was that it really helps to maintain a more efficient shoulder, head, and neck alignment. And you can just hold it still.
Okay. Right.
So now, head, neck, and alignment is more efficient. The joint, the femoral head and femoral head and the humeral head are sitting nicely in their joints. They're not compressed. Hips are going to be even. Your tail feather is sticking out. Just more efficient movement patterns will happen with the blocks. Look at that alignment. How does that feel?
Yes, amazing, amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Woo, it's so much harder too because
it works your core, exactly. So your core,
oh my gosh,
back from your sides,
and then off to the other side. Holy cow, you guys!
Yeah.
Quite a different exercise.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I'm sweating. As soon as I have the
She's
blocks, it's like sweat.
Together, slowly roll up, bending the knees, hands on your thighs if you need. You can take little pulses to come up.
All right.
There you have it.
Good. Thank you for that. Oh, so good. All right. Namaste.
Namaste. I love that concept, using the blocks.
She makes me do all the work.
Yes.